Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we got a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. This is a 75th anniversary edition. 121,000 miles. These have the bronze bumpers. It's got leather heated seats, remote start, navigation. It's got the Freedom top and the body color. Infab steps, fuel wheels. Little lift, nothing crazy. These are 35-inch tires. These tires we put on, they got 25 miles on them probably. Good years, went to Discount Tire. Nice little Jeep, high miles, but it's real clean. It's not all dented and beat up. Got 2 keys for this. Has the Alpine stereo system with the subwoofer as well. Be a great vehicle for a teenager or somebody looking for something to bang around their ranch, beach. It's got the weatherproof mats. This one has the headliner also, hardtop headliner. Helps with the noise. There's your switches for all the lights up front. No warning lights in the dash. Steering wheel audio controls, it's an automatic. See the heated seats right there. Real nice, clean Jeep. Runs good. Good service history. All the lights work. It's got the tow package as well. If you click on the Carfax in our website link, you can pull the window sticker and see all the original options and everything. Give us a call, text, email. The website is rogersmotorcars.com. We hope to hear from you and hope you subscribe. We get a lot of cool cars, and we try to post every day or every other day new inventory that's coming in. Give us a follow, check out our Instagram. It's Rogers_motorcars.